Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. Hands-free access package. You can simply open the trunk with the swipe of a foot with the key in your pocket, and the trunk will open up. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assists. Heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for your media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 41,419 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.